doubt about it. Mano durnigraham chalam. So mind is fickle and very difficult to practice. So how to practice it? Abhyasena. Abhyas is practice. Okay. So if you get 10 classes in maths, doing maths, what do? You practice, and one day you become master. So for everything, that is the solution. Practice is the solution. Okay. If there is any difficulty in anything, so how do you get rid of it? By practice. So abhyasena tu kaunteya. So abhyasa is the best.
Nigraham chalam.
Abhyasena tu kaunteya.
Abhyasena tu kaunteya. Vairagyena cha grishrite. Dhyayato vishayan punsah. Sangaseshu upajayate. Sangasanjayate kamah. Kamat krodho abhijayate. Uddharetatmanatmanam. Atmanamavasadayet. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuh. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Yogastha kuru karmani. Sangam tyakva dhananjaya. Siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yuktahara viharasya. Yukta chestasya karmasu. Yukta swapnavabodhasya. Yogo bhavati dukkha.
Ahimsa satyamakrodha.
Ahimsa satyamakrodha.
Tyaga shantirapaisunam.
Tyaga shantirapaisunam.
Daya bhuteshvalo lupvam.
Daya bhuteshvaloluptvam.
Madhavam veerachabalam.
Madhavam veerachapalam. Now all of you got the points, no?